Here we go. Got a good one today. Going tarpon fishing. Take the tiki boat out for a tarpon. So we got Zach, we got Avery. Coming here at the Sea Spirit, Key Largo. Skipper's gonna grab some dolphin bellies he's gonna use for bait.
Eat this here if you want.
Alright, here we go. Getting the special stuff.
Getting the juice.
The tarpon killers.
What are we thinking?
What do we got? One whole unit. Oh yeah, there we go. That's nice.
Oh, how much is big belly hooves? These dolphin bellies? No.
Well, whatever. Whatever it takes. Yo, got the promise.
Got the juice.
Got
Barracuda Bob in here. Oh man, we got more dolphin bellies. I don't want to hear them all.
You guys are loaded down. We don't need all of them. Let's do it. It's alright. We're gonna get some.
Bringing the juice. Bringing the juice in.
Nice one over there. Windy day here in Key Largo. It's alright. It's not gonna hold us back. We're going to go crush it. These baby stall. Waiting for one more. Ryan's on the way. I'm gonna go grab a cocktail while we're waiting. Get us nice and energized. What do you think, Zach?
Excellent idea.
That's right.
Thank you.
You have to kickstart the evening.
That's right.
Go juice.
Cheers to you.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers to you, Zach.
Yeah, I have already
Cheers
filled
to you,
in
dude.
the fridge. I've got
Cheers to the bees. Eh?
Never mind. Ryan is not coming with us. He's being a loser. He's gonna go watch
maybe.
He's gonna go watch the Florida game. It's okay.
Championship game.
Go Panthers. See what happens. Good luck to you. We're gonna go have fun and catch a tarpon. Catch you on the other side, pal. False alarm, false alarm. Nelson is with us.
I had to fuck with him.
Yeah.
Got him real good.
We got him. We got him. Going to tarpon. Alright, here we are. At the resort. Here we go. Getting after it. Alright. Here we are.
Fly out of my head.
Some tiki chadas. Going fishing. Going fishing on the tiki boat. What do you think, Avery? Yeah? Here we go. Getting after it. Woo! Alright, here we go.
This for everybody going through tough times. Believe me, been there, done that. But every day above ground is a great day. Remember that.
On the hunt for a tarpon. We got Captain Zach here.
Yeah, on the way to catch some tarpon.
Gonna get one. It's a little windy out. Pretty windy if you can't tell. Very windy actually. Avery's on the drone. Getting after it. That's right. Captain works for tips, baby. Anchor is out. Captain got us to the spot. Here we go. Avery's gonna be chumming here. See if we can't hook us one. Throw some carcasses out. Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, buddy.
There you go. See if anything comes up. So we're gonna throw a lot of carcasses out, try and get everything chummed up. Let the tarpon know we're here. We're gonna drift the dolphin belly back, circle hook. See what we can do. All right, let's get one first. Avery or Nell?
I think I got it.
I think Nelson's got it in the bag. We'll see what happens.
Hang out, drink a beer.
Now we wait, waiting for the bite. Drink a your beer? Let me get one.
And while we wait, we dehydrate. Still crack.
Go ahead.
Pretty good one.
About 5 minutes in. No bites yet. Not a thing. Not a thing.
Vibes are still immaculate.
Yep. We're living. Boats hanging out. A little breezy out here.
It's blowing and we're going though.
That's right. All right, Avery. What do we got going on here? What are we gonna do? Tie a bimini twist.
I think so.
Let's see what he's got.
Need a little more line. It's kind of hard without a rod holder.
That's why.
But I think I got it. Tried a few of these in my day. With braided line, you want to do about 40 reps.
40 reps.
Might have to give myself enough to tag. Should be good.
Think they hooked up at all?
I don't know. Here we go.
Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, maybe a G and double, cut a 6-inch belly through the middle of my skull.
Half inch.
At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freeze train in the middle of my head.
2 half inches, huh?
Yeah, one on each side. Full hitch. Go around both sides of the line. Come back through. One more time. And then what I like to do to finish it off is come around both and come. Nice and tight.
All right.
And that's it.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's the Avery Hartman bimini twist.
All right, we're about a half hour in. Not one bite yet. Mitch, what we gotta say?
Not a bite yet, but
We're putting the time in.
Sun's getting lower. Zach, what do you think? Morals down 1 notch. Still up there. Gonna get him here in a second. Don't worry. Never stop believing.
Handing the rod off to Hartman.
You gonna get a bite here?
All right, we'll check back in with.
here we go. Grab it. Ah.
Look at that beauty, man.
Pretty work, pretty work. Well, the fish weren't biting, but it was a good evening.
Good sunset.
Well, the tarpon hunting didn't work out, so we're gonna go next to these bridges near the marina and try and hook one. It's a little bit cheating, but it still works. What do you think? All right, here we go.
On the drift here.
Fishing the docks. Not cheating at all.
Will Harbor, Almirada. All right, Cap. Keep us from hitting these docks.
We gotta get the tarpon in here.
So we tried our luck out in the backcountry and to no avail. Well, figured we'd at least try and catch a couple of them, so we came over here outside of this marina underneath of this jet ski dock and decided to flick a couple baits over there and see what happens. It was super windy out, blowing about 20 knots. Pretty hard to keep the boat steady, especially because of the big tiki hut on top creates a parachute, but that's why we got Captain Zach behind the wheel getting it done, trying to get us as close as we can over there so we can drift our baits right underneath of that dock and see if we can't get a bite. Test Avery's skills out here. Yeah, we're also running out of daylight pretty quick, so only going to be able to do this a few more minutes and we're going to have to get going, but hopefully we can't get a bite or two here Bottom of the ninth.
See the toss. Oh,
That's why they call us professionals.
that's Money Mitch. See what Avery's got. Right on the dock. There we are.
Little tarpon.
Little baby top. Didn't go home dead. Back her down.
Yeah, I got one on.
How we feeling, Abe?
Oh, good. Oh boy, move that turn on. Oh, right here, here.
Get on him, get on him.
That's fine, I got him right there. That's pretty small.
Sorry. Let him. Another drag.
Dude, he's not pulling.
Right now. When he in the jump.
Get in the jump.
Hey, here, grab the rock. Oh, there he goes. And a safe release. Got the hook. Nice. He's already
Got him on again. Here we go.
got him on.
Here we go.
Yeah, buddy.
Watch out, watch out.
Got him on the tiki.
That trying to spin us around, so it's...
Got him on the tiki. There he goes. Oh! Nice job, Mitchell. Number 2 of the night. Had to do a little extra to get this one, but it's alright. Look
Nice job. All right.
Hey, bring this turn in, Mitch.
Well, may not have been big topping, but at least it was something. Got a couple. Here we go. We got Captain Zach yelling at us. Let's see how old Captain Zach can dog it. Pulling up the Chesapeake Beach Resort in Alamorada. Here we go. What's going on? You guys catching anything? Sharks? Nice. All right. see how Zach can dock this thing at 20 knot winds. What do you think?
Yeah.
20 knot winds.
Alright, so let that grab his line.
How are we going to do here? All right, we made it. Here we are. Back at home. All right, here we go. We got a battle out for shotgun. We got Nelson versus Zach. Best 2 out of 3. What do we think? Paper.
Ready? On rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
On shoot.
Here we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Didn't I call that though?
Yeah. Well, I don't know why you didn't go scissors if you knew it was throwing paper.
I told him I knew what he was going to throw. I didn't want to beat him.
Let's see it. Go ahead. We're tied up.
I called him.
We're tied up.
Rock,
All right, ready?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
1-0.
1-0. Here we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
There we go. Shotgun goes to Nelson. Cry about it. What do you think, Avery?
I tell him cry about it, bitch.
Dropping some rods back off here at Will Harbor. Some hooks. Do what?
Back at Mitchell's place of work.
That's right. Here we are.
See your cutters.
Alright, well, boys got it done. We're in the truck on our way home. Successful night. Sunset. Took the tiki boat out for a nice little cruise. Everything was good. Caught a couple tarpon by the marina. Maybe next time we'll have to go out and hopefully get a bite out in the mangroves a little further. But whatever, got it done.
Got it done again.
Successful night.
Good
There we
time
go.
with the boys.
Got anything to say?
Not much.
Not much to say. Like and subscribe. Avery's man a few words. When he does get talking, he talks a lot. But hey, Keys man out. Deuces.
Peace.